Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming exactly which Xbox you have and why you want the old dashboard. Compatibility matters. Once done, back up NAND and game saves so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Next, connect a PC, a reliable USB drive, and the appropriate flashing utility. Make sure drivers install. Start the process by copying the target dashboard image and any required signature patches to the USB. You're now set to move into the flashing and installer steps. You'll now enter the console's recovery or service mode to accept the custom image. That's crucial for the flash to take. Connect the USB and launch the flasher on your PC, selecting the backed up NAND and the older dashboard image. Apply any necessary signature patches so the console will boot the image. This fixes compatibility and prevents soft bricks. While the tool writes, watch progress and avoid interrupting power. Once the write completes, perform the built-in integrity check to ensure a clean install. Reassemble and power on your Xbox. You should see the old dashboard load. You'll set region, network, and user profiles as usual, and then restore saved games and settings from your backup. Once booted, test a few games and multimedia features to confirm compatibility. Some titles or network services may behave differently. If the console won't boot or shows errors, immediately use recovery mode to reflash the backed up NAND image. This is your primary troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.